Do you want to know how you can clear your cache memory in BeReal? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your cache memory. Tap on the app and then go to its settings. You can see that there is storage, click on it and then press on clear cache. This way you can clear the cache memory. Let me show it to you again. Go to the BeReal app, tap on it, go to its settings and then go to storage. Click on the storage and then click on clear cache. After you click on clear cache, its cache memory will be deleted. So this is how you clear the cache in BeReal. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.